Hi everyone, I'm Karen, the librarian with the County Library's Riverton branch. Today my special guest is teen Sophie. Hi Sophie.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good. Okay, so we're still sheltering in place for the most part, and we decided today to make a really fun treat. Sophie, do you like to make treats at home?
Oh yeah.
What do you usually make?
We usually make like Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispies treats. What are we making today?
Mug cakes.
Mug cakes. I know you and your siblings make mug cakes all the time. I've seen the mixes at the stores, but today we're going to make some at home just with the ingredients we have at home. Hopefully you have this at home too. And first, Sophie, what other treats, desserts do you like to eat?
I love ice cream.
Ice cream. Are you vanilla or chocolate?
I love vanilla.
You're a vanilla girl. I'm a chocolate person myself. So today we're going to have a vanilla mug cake and a chocolate mug cake. So for the vanilla one, the first part of the recipe is 1/4 cup all-purpose white flour, 1/4 cup of milk. If you're vegan, you can use almond or rice milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which is your leavening agent. Sophie, what does a leavening agent do?
It helps it rise.
Helps it rise, makes it light and fluffy. A pinch of salt, so maybe 1/8 teaspoon or less. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And now for the chocolate recipe, which I like. It's got 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, another pinch of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. So this one has a little less. It's dense, it's kind of like a lava cake. 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. Again, if you're vegan, use some type of oil. 1/4 cup of milk. Are you ready, Sophie?
Yeah.
Let's get cooking.
Okay.
So if I recall, when you were young, you loved playing games like Cooking Mama. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I should tell everyone what we've got here are some different mugs just that we use at home. They are microwave safe, so make sure to check on the bottom. They need to be microwave safe, okay? And we're going to add all the dry ingredients in. This is a very forgiving recipe, very simple. You really can't get it wrong. You guys have tried a bunch of different recipes. I think we've made these now like 6 times for this segment where I've eaten more cake than I need to, but just put everything. Go ahead, what else do you need?
Can I put baking soda?
Baking powder. Baking
powder.
So it is baking powder in this recipe. Sophie, do you like cooking shows?
Yes, I
Oh,
do.
you know what? I forgot to tell everyone, Sophie. Josh told us with his food handler's permit that before he starts, what do we always start with in the kitchen?
Clean hands.
Clean hands. So we already washed our hands. Usually we have the hand coming out here. We already washed our hands before we started. So always start with clean hands. Thank you, Madison. Okay. So what kind of cooking shows do you like?
I like to watch cooking shows like Chopped or Beat Bobby Flay.
Chopped. Bobby Flay. I like Bobby Flay. Do you ever watch any dessert ones like Cupcake Wars or anything?
Well, I don't specifically watch Cupcake Wars, but I like to watch Cake Wars.
You like Cake Wars. You like to make cake. That's pretty cool. Okay. I'm going to take a pinch of salt, about less than 1/8 teaspoon. My recipe is very simple. And I think I need oil. Do you need oil?
Yes.
Where? Oh, right here. You know what? Here. Let me use my oil. And then here you go.
Thank
You're welcome. And we've already pre-measured our liquid. We're going to mix as quickly as possible. So, how's school?
Pretty.
Pretty good. You're close to the end, right?
Yes.
Yes. And I know it's been a challenge to shelter in place, but we hope everyone knows that they're not alone. And do you know there are some really cool programs at the library we're doing online? We have things like monthly teen anime club for teens on Discord. We've got a lot of web comics. There's a Darth and Droids for families. There's Dungeons and Dragons. Isn't that neat? Okay, are you done with yours? You're still mixing, so I'll show them mine. It's a pretty thin cake batter. The chocolate one, if you like, you can add in some chocolate chips, or I might just eat them myself. Okay, let's show them yours. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add in my vanilla extract. Did you get yours in there?
It's a very thin mixture.
It's pretty thin.
Yeah.
Well done. So for yours, you can add vanilla extract or flavoring if you don't have that. Maybe some vanilla paste. That's pretty fancy. If you don't have that, that's okay. Also, I know you like to add in sprinkles, and it's kind of a funfetti confetti cake, right? Okay, so now that we've done that through the magic of video, 90 seconds in the microwave, and your cake should come out like this. Yay! And we use toppings like ice cream, or in this case, some whipped cream. You can do that. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's try it. Ready? I like those. This is probably why I've eaten it so many times.
That's really good.
It is really good. So while we're sheltering in place, teens, we love you. You're not alone. This is for teens and parents. We've talked about it a lot. The Safe UT app. You can download it for free. There's someone there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to talk to you. You can call them or text them. Parents, if you want to know how to help your teens, you can use this app as well. Teens, you are not alone. I know it's tough. Some of your parents, you know, Josh, I have you, Josh Madison. We shelter at home, but sometimes it's hard. You want to be out there. So feel free to contact anyone on this line. They can help you. You're not alone. We miss you. We love you. You're awesome just the way you are, teens. We can't wait to see you again at the library soon.